All right, off to do some more work. A little Rippa time again. Here we go. Okay, here we are. We're just working on the new project here, digging a little straight line here from the corner of the retaining wall back, because we're going to put a small retaining wall at an angle right here in kind of in front of the garden beds that are on the right, and just kind of straight back about 20 feet, 15, 20 feet, because we're planning on using this small retaining wall against the big retaining wall to create a corner here where we can level the backyard a little bit better. So that's what we're working on here, just dragging along, digging down to make it level and in a straight line. I'll just let it run for a minute and you can kind of see the straight line that we're digging. Here I am starting to set up a stake on one side and a stake on the other side of this retaining wall line that we're planning on building, so I can run a string line and use a line level so that we can level the ground to the actual blocks. So kind of just moving a block in place, getting the stake kind of in that corner next to the block. I think I'm just working on leveling the first one, then I put in the stake, touch the line to it, and then just spend a little time kind of getting it level. That's what we're fiddling with here. Here I'm just grabbing the dirt and bringing it from one side to the other and putting it against the back of our main retaining wall. There we have some protective paper, so we're just holding it up and backfilling against it. Then we grab more dirt here. Here we are just working on putting in the retaining wall blocks, and from one after the other, just using the string line that we laid to follow along, and then using just a couple levels just to put on top of each block just to make sure they're level. So we're just working our way down the line. That's what we're doing. All right, here's those wood stakes that I was talking about that I put in, a few of them to help support the wall for now. Down the road, I'll reinforce it, like I said, with either some rebar or pipe, or both rebar and pipe, or something with a couple bags of concrete just to support around it. Not sure exactly what I'll do yet, but just depends on how well the wall holds. But that pretty much wraps up this video. Appreciate you guys watching. We're just getting the one day at a time progress going on this. So thanks for following along. Like and subscribe. Thanks again. Have a good one.